The aerospace and defense industry operates in one of the world's most demanding manufacturing environments, where precision, quality, security, and complete traceability are essential. Every component, assembly, and process must meet strict industry standards while ensuring on-time delivery and operational excellence. Managing engineering changes, complex bills of materials, supplier collaboration, production planning, inventory, quality inspections, regulatory compliance, and project execution can be challenging without the right technology. That's where PMTechERP makes the difference. Purpose-built for aerospace and defense manufacturers, PMTechERP integrates every critical business function into a single intelligent platform. From engineering and procurement to production, quality management, inventory control, warehouse operations, finance, and project management, every department works with real-time, accurate data. PMTechERP enables manufacturers to manage multi-level bills of materials, engineering revisions, serial and lot traceability, supplier quality, inspection processes, production scheduling, and resource planning with greater efficiency and complete visibility. Whether you're manufacturing aircraft components, avionics, satellites, drones, missiles, defense electronics, or mission-critical systems, PMTechERP helps optimize operations, reduce production delays, improve product quality, minimize costs, and maintain compliance with industry regulations. With powerful dashboards and real-time analytics, decision-makers gain complete visibility into production performance, inventory status, procurement activities, project progress, and overall business operations. This empowers organizations to make faster data-driven decisions while improving productivity across the enterprise. As the aerospace and defense industry continues to evolve with advanced technologies and increasing customer expectations, manufacturers need an ERP solution that is scalable, reliable, and built specifically for their unique requirements. PMTechERP is more than an ERP system. It's a complete digital transformation platform designed to help aerospace and defense manufacturers improve efficiency, ensure compliance, enhance traceability, and deliver mission-critical products with confidence. PMTechERP, engineering the future of aerospace.